to the Google Team Growth Initiative. My name is Christina, Merrill, and if you're watching this video, then that means that you have been selected to join the application process on becoming a member of the Google Team. Here at Google, we are looking for unique individuals who want to work in a creative space and where they can have all the benefits and perks that they could imagine and continue to grow with our ever-growing company. Business Today has rated Google as the #3 best company to work for, and not only that, but within that list, Google is the top-rated internet field. This is in competition with IBM, Microsoft, and Apple. Google is therefore, if you are in the internet field or as a research engineer or scientist, is why you want to work for us. And now I'm going to talk about some of the financial growth which will lead to your job security. At the advent of smartphones, we have had Google to be much more widely available. I can bet you that when you're in a group of your friends and someone has a question, at least one person will chime in and say, "Hey, let me Google that," or "Let me Google it real quick," and within a moment's notice, you have the answer at your fingertips. This is what Google strives for, and it is what made us known worldwide for the reliable search engine that we are. It is also the cutting-edge ideas that set us apart. For example, one of our newest inventions is on our smartphones. We have the Google Search, but unlike other search engines, we have a voice recognition software that allows you to operate hands-free. Let me show you. Here on my smartphone, I have this Google icon. Right here, as you click, you will notice that there is the microphone right up here. Sorry, this is a little hard backwards. Barack Obama. Did you mean Barack Obama? I did. And now I have all of the information right here, waiting for me. Now, how cool is that? Another thing that makes Google just a little bit more different is our employee culture. At Google, we try to create a very colorful environment as to not bog you down with the boring cubicle in most office spaces. Instead, you have your own group workspace where you can easily communicate with your team in a futuristic way. This theme is supposed to encourage new ideas, which is what Google operates around. And according to Bloomberg Newsweek, it is very common for what I'm about to tell you in other companies, but Google does it differently. This would have to be naps. Did you ever think you'd be able to sleep on the job? Not me. Well, that was until I started working for Google. Google has futuristic sleep pods, which are different than the typical nap rooms that other offices will provide. They are designed to give you that perfect rest for 30 to 45 minutes so that you feel awakened and rejuvenated and ready to work again. Another thing that makes Google special is the job variety. You're not just sitting behind a computer working on codes all day. That would be boring. Instead, we have data mining, HCI, speech recognition like I showed you earlier, education and network architecture amongst many other jobs. And not only that, but you have the ability to work on different branches at the same time. So if you wanted to work in the language software and the network architecture, you would be able to do so and have your projects possibly coincide. What a great raise that would be. Another thing I would like to talk to you about are the benefits that you get from working at Google. Wall Street Journal mentioned how he incorporated a 10% salary raise instead of a bonus. This was because our employees were saying that they would rather have a constant reminder of their good work rather than having the effect only be demonstrated through that month. We find this to be very exceptional for our employee output and have incorporated it for all of our employees. Also, the benefits. Are you tired of looking for a parking spot? Because at Google, we provide complimentary busing from the local areas to where you will be working, as well as massage, gym, and first-class dining. As well as you can have stated on our Google employee website, we also have a laundry and dry cleaning facility because we don't think that our research scientists and engineers should be doing their laundry when they have much bigger things to be spending their time on. As an employee at Google, you have a wide variety of growth potential. You can move between branches as well as projects, and you can have the choice of working on one project or multiple projects at the same time. We don't want your ideas to be blocked. We want you to feel like you are open and ready to do whatever you need to do. Each project only lasts between 6 to 12 months. We find that this is all the time that we need to find out if this is something that we should keep permanently or if we should move on to the next idea. Google is cutting edge, remember? So, are you tired of having a case on Mondays? Google is a team of unique individuals who want to work in a creative environment with plenty of room to grow and mature with the company. If you want to come to work without having to look for a parking spot, and if you would like to not have to worry about laundering, be able to work with your friends and take naps and have first-class dining and pay raises and salary raises instead of just bonuses, if you want to be honored for the work that you really do, then come work for Google. So what are you waiting for? Doesn't this sound like the perfect job? Apply today and never have to dread a Monday again. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.